Here's how to fold down the seats on a Toyota Prius V. So if you've got the middle seat belt connected, then you'll need to disconnect that first. Now, if we look at it, there are two arrows facing each other on there. So when you put it back together, make sure the arrows are both on the same side. And then that little slot has a place where you can stick a key. If you don't have a key, you can pop the key out of your remote control like that. And then you just go back to the middle seat belt, push it from the side, and it'll pop right out. And then just lock it back up in the ceiling. It just kind of stuffs in there like that. And then if you need to remove the headrests, there's a little pincher there, and you pinch on it, and then the headrest will come off. It looks like that. So you just pinch that, pull the headrest out, and then pull that lever, and the seats will boing down like that on both sides. Note that you do have the option of only putting one down, so you get a real nice 60-40 split there if you want to haul people and luggage. And then to bring it back up, you just pop it back up into the upright position. But remember, that lever also reclines the seat, and you can also slide the seat back on a Prius V.